It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside for a while and just smile. Just take it.
The funny thing is, if you watched the video yesterday, I told you I wasn't going to be sure on the ABK. Then I went to go see Clash of the Titans and smoked the joint because that's what I'm doing now. I refuse to trade when a market only goes up, and I want to know why everyone's not smiling. I go out and I expect to see people skipping around in the streets. Brokers holding hands with bankers. Analysts just sucking each other off in an alleyway somewhere. How smart everybody is! How awesome everything is! This is the new America. They're handing out money. The government's printing it, sending it to your house. All you gotta do is press a few buttons. But ABK, that's a trade. That's a trade that we missed. But if you were a day trader, if you're still in this industry, that was what we call a pivot point reversal. The stock broke the days before high, went red, all the factors you need to just suck it up and go short a stock that could possibly go to either 2 cents or $50. Because on the vein, in the same breath as I say you should be shorting these garbage stocks, you have an AIG, which goes up 55 points in your face. No sense. Absolutely no sense. But right now, just keep that good feeling going, baby! Because we're embracing a new America. A new-found love of the stock market. Wasted 10 years of your life? Well, the next 10 years, if we get that far, because I'm thinking by December 14th of 2012, we're going to have so much money in our pockets that we don't even have to care. We're all going to be retired by then. December 4th of 2012 and the Dow Jones hits 20,000 and all your stocks are trading at $1,000 increments. Don't worry about it. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. Even the HIG participated in the rally after all. Wow. This is super duper times we're living in, people. And look at that. I sold the Akamai at 33.50. I was feeling good about myself for about 5 minutes. And of course now the stock will resume its course to $45, $50. Now, of course we have to deal with earnings season now, right? Earnings season. So when Akamai reports their earnings and some analyst comes out and says, oh, well, I expected them to do even better. I put a sell on it. And of course, the sheep, that is the people that live in the matrix, because I don't understand why people even listen to analysts right now. Remember when they were telling us to buy stocks all the way down in 2008? Remember when the stock market was going down every day? People said not to fear the stock market, that you should be buying, and then we went down another 1,000 points and another 1,000 points. But what I have to say is that there is no indication that this will end. And it will only end when you're sitting there getting your hair cut and your shave, and your barber says, I just bought some stocks, that might be a time that we're seeing a small top there. Don't short this market. Only if it goes negative, like today. If suddenly we're up 20 points on the NASDAQ right now, and the NASDAQ, baby. Oh, yeah, it's extra high grade now, huh? You know it. You know it. You love it. The NASDAQ. Technology, people. We're only going forward. The natural progression of events in this country is to get bigger and faster and better and stronger. Technology is going to take us there. Apple needs to build its stuff and you got to buy it. Apple has the greatest product in the world right now. It's an iPad, proving that the economy is good because people are out there buying something they have no idea what it does. Do you know what the iPad does? Do you know what? It's basically one that I walk around. Yeah, this is the new iBag. It's a paper bag and it holds stuff in it and it only costs $14. It only costs us 16 cents to make, but it's going to cost $14. It's an iBag. You can put stuff in it. Revolutionary. They can make products right now and sell them indiscriminately. You don't even have to know what it does. Do you need an iPad? Of course you don't. You don't need it. You don't even want it, but yet you're gonna buy it anyway because it's new and it's hot, and that proves that the economy's back. Back. You're buying shit because you don't even know what the hell it is. I'm gonna buy it just to find out what it does. And you're telling me the economy's not good? But of course, right now we are hinged on the fact that I need somebody to ship something. Ship it. Ship that shit. Right now I got 5,000 shares of the dry ships left, okay? I need somebody to tell me why the shipping companies aren't doing great. If everybody needs oil, you need the oil, you need to get your oil. You need to get your steel. You need to get your iron ore. You need to get something, pay for it, and ship that shit. Ship that shit already. If ABK can go from 50 cents to $3, dry ships should go to $10 any day now. Any day now. Any day now, the traders will find something. We have to wait for in this great, fantastic, super duper bull market that we're in. We have to wait for the day where there's nothing going on and dry ships is the only thing going on, like the ABK. The market's been pretty much dead. We gap up, we sit around, we close, we're higher, everybody's happy. Well, sort of happy. But then the traders need something to do, so they find an ABK. Ooh, let's run this shit. Let's run this shit to fucking $40. Oh, you gotta get in. Oh, short covering. Oh, God. And then one JP Morgan analyst or some Morgan Stanley says the company's worthless. Oh, somebody said it's not good. Sell it. Oh, it's not good because that guy said it. And next thing you know, a furious sell-off comes. And you don't think the JP Morgan guy wasn't shorting the stock in all of your faces and then put that press release out? Because that's how they make money. And that's why you should buy Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan and all those companies, because they know how to work things. They're more powerful than you and I, and they will continue to make money. So why not just buy those companies? Like, instead of buying a mutual fund, buy the mutual fund company, because they're robbing people and they're getting paid for it. So, oh, and also NYX. Don't, okay, so you sold it, right? And now it pulled back like 50, 60 cents. So I guess that's it. Time to buy it back. So now we're looking at the dry ships is what I own. I own the HIG. Sold out of the Akamai, the DuPont, and the Alcoa. Still long the big Sprint Nextel. Where's that stock? $4.13. Something going on there. I've been telling you this company's going to get bought out, right? And if you had listened to me back in the day when I told you it was going to get bought out, that was when it broke $253. We've been sitting around. I've been making money because I've been selling naked puts on it. If you don't know that strategy, come to the chat room. I'll tell you all about it. Naked puts. My naked puts. And, yeah, there's not much more to say. Just feel good about stuff. Embrace it all. Give the stock market a big hug. Just give it a big hug and say, "Ooh, thanks for that money. Thanks for the money." And all you hyperinflation and disinflation and all you inflation faggots out there think that there's some sort of inflation that's going to hurt us. You know what? When the Dow's at 20K and I got to pay $5 for a gallon of milk, fuck that shit, because I'll be buying 2 gallons of milk. Yeah, that's right, because my portfolio would be worth $15 million. I won't mind buying $5 gallons of milk. $6 a gallon, but fuck it, I will pay $10 for a gallon of milk. And I don't give a shit how much the bread costs either, because I'll have fucking $75 billion in my 401k, and my Keogh, my Roth IRA, not paying taxes on it. I'll have free health care. I'll finally get my hemorrhoids lanced. For free. Walk into the office with my freaking pants down and my asshole staring somebody in the face. Here, fix this! Fix my asshole! For free! Yeah, I can afford to pay it because my portfolio is worth $75 billion, but I want you to fix my asshole for free. Because Obama said so. Obama. So, as we march on into the future, make sure you come to hitthebid.com, because this is where all the fun time is happening. All the fun times. This is fun, fun, fun. Just remember, just give it a big hug. Just give it a big hug. Oh yeah, stock market, you're so nice to me. Oh, look at you going up every day. I love you. Oh, stock market, I love you.
Your mother likes it.